Success is your duty, obligation, and responsibility. In today's world, you have to compete. But what if I tell you, you can not just compete, but you can dominate your field and become a global leader of your field? If competition is good, domination is immunity. If you want to succeed and dominate your field, then you must have a burning desire to learn, unlearn, and relearn. This is Shekhar, CEO and Managing Director at Biotecnika, and today we are here to discuss some key points on how you can dominate the market. I'm going to tell you some very, very important things about your career. So stay tuned. Now, in a recent video telecast, our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, also said the same thing, which I relate a lot. He chose 3 words, and those 3 words are skill, reskill, and upskill. Now, in his words, to stay relevant in the current pandemic situation and job scenario, one has to follow this mantra: skill, reskill, and upskill. Now let us understand what is a skill. Your skill is something which is unique to you. It is your USP. It could be your expertise in a particular subject or a research technique, anything but a very narrow niche. Once you pass your student life, okay, so let's assume this is your life, you have passed on your student life and enter the professional life, you are identified by these unique skills. These skills are what sets you apart from the rest of the crowd. And what makes your skills unique? What makes you different is the interest and dedication you show towards special skill. Now it all depends on how you own your craft on a day-to-day basis. But in this cutthroat competition world, is your skill enough? That question has to be asked. Now let us talk about a life science graduate, okay? A life science candidate. Now suppose you have the knowledge of PCR, okay? So PCR technique will take, and you are fluent in using this machine, okay? You are well to do in this machine. It is very important skill for every student or research scholar to possess. Now what can you do? Whenever there is a new or latest technology coming in to the market related to the new PCR technology, you are going to learn it. You have to be eager and curious to learn about it. This is called as reskill. Updating your knowledge every day. Okay? Now, you will excel in your field as you not only possess an important skill, but you have also invested time and effort to work on it and stay up to date with the latest developments. Right? Now, if skill gets you identified, reskilling will help you progress in your career. Okay? So it's very, very important not just to grab a career, you have to progress also. Now let us come to the third and most important, and that is upskill. Upskill is about, all about learning additional skills. Now, learning is a never-ending process. We all learn, right? Now, the more you learn, the more valuable you become. The additional knowledge you gain will never go waste. In fact, you will develop confidence and it will boost your morale by learning something additional. Okay? So, never stop learning. Now, upskilling is a great option. Now, it is a mandatory requirement to keep up with the technology-driven world, correct? We should always keep upgrading, like how the mobile update comes, right? Same way. Now, as a life science student or researcher, you will have to inculcate these 3 in your life. Upskill, reskill, okay, and keep skilling. Gone are those days when it was enough to master molecular biology and chemistry. Now you are also required to, have immense understanding of bioinformatics and programming language like MATLAB or Python, etc. Developing these skills as a student so that you can excel as a researcher. Now, at Biotecnika, we have specially curated courses, career-oriented certification courses to help you do just that. Skill, reskill, and upskill. Okay? That's the mantra of 2020 while we all are going through this pandemic situation. Enroll with these certification courses and trust me, your resume will definitely stand out of the crowd. Refer to the links given below in the description for more information. Thank you so much for watching this video. And now before I sign off, I want to reiterate. I want to repeat whatever I said, that you are not here to compete with anyone. You are here to dominate the field. And you want to achieve what others have not or what others could not, then do not forget to skill, upskill, and reskill yourself. Biosciences is a knowledge-driven industry. Okay? So see you soon in our next video. Have a great career ahead. Bye-bye.